So we're down here at the Diane Nature Center. This is the Intermountain Bird Observatory's research station right along the Boise River. And the latest development and the thing we're most excited about coming up is a new side channel project that will really help restore habitat down here along the Boise River. So the side channel project is restoring a historic side channel. So it's part of the river that used to flow, but because of changes in the water flow over time, especially when the dams were put in, the side channel went dry. We're looking to re-excavate that, open it back up, and bring water to this strip of cottonwood trees that hasn't had water for a really long time. So adding this flowing water will rejuvenate the riparian habitat, also provide habitat for fish, and then of course benefit our local wildlife like deer, bobcats, and of course the birds.
If the pin is resting on top of the cheatgrass, that's the soil layer. Okay.
Today down at the site we have 2 students. One is from College of Western Idaho and one is from Boise State. And we're working together with our community partners to train them to help us do habitat monitoring at this site. And we have a few plots where community volunteers planted seedlings, and we want to measure the effectiveness of that restoration to learn how well we're able to control weeds and whether our seedlings survive. So today they're doing some plot measurements, looking at vegetation density before the spring green up, and so we'll be able to look and see as the summer continues how those plants are growing and progressing. So we're really lucky to have Micron as a partner funding the side channel project itself, but we're still looking for support to continue to build out the infrastructure at this site. We really want this to be a place where the community can come and spend time and enjoy, and we need your support to help us develop our trail system, boardwalks, and also wildlife viewing structures.